Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. It does not really matter on which mode you will be. All you have to do is to tap on this arrow icon and enter the settings in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, find Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. The camera settings flashed a little bit, and after getting back you can see that we have to select the style in which our photos will be taken. It is our evidence that the reset option worked, because this is the option which you have to manage after opening the camera for the very first time from the configuration, the initial configuration. So as you can see, we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.